Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's DJ Shaw One King Legend coming at you with another gear unboxing video. I'm just going to give you a quick look of the new SoundCraft Notepad-8FX. This is a new item to the SoundCraft lineup. Alright, so here's the box. It's a nice and small box. It's got a little bit of weight to it, so I'm going to open this up and let you see what's going on inside. Alright, so here we go. This is what you get inside the box. You get your manual, of course. Alright. SoundCraft by Harman. Remember, they also make Crown. Alright, JBL, so forth. Very good company. Alright. Inside this box, you get your adapter, power cord. Alright. Alright, just going to show you everything that it comes with here. Alright, feel, I would say this is built very well. To be so small, probably about the size of my hand. With, yep, probably about the size of my hand. To be so small, it's built very well. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Alright, now this is not plastic. As you can hear, this is metal. Alright, it's got little, this is hard plastic on the side. Just to check the metal. Back is also metal, as you can hear. So your rear vents there. Do the back first. Holder to hold the plug-in, the wire holder. Once you plug it in, you can sweep the wire through the hole, so that way it stays secure. Let you see everything here. This whole thing is 18 volts. Alright, made by SoundCraft. Alright, now let's see what this bad boy is capable of. Got your mic, Phantom 48 volts. Alright, 1 and 2. Just go down these two channels here. Got your gain up top. You got your high filters up top. You got your mid-range in the middle. Got your low frequency. Got your aux FX. You got your pan. You also have a line level gain also. Alright, over here you have your aux and your balance and your level log as well. And over here you have your master volume. It's nice to have a slide master. Usually it's a knob. Alright, got your meters on this side, signal. Peak. Alright, the headphones level. Okay. That's your USB. Right there. That's your line inputs. 3 and 4 quarters. 5 and 6 quarters as well. Alright, and here's what I love about this thing. Well, I really got it. It's XLR outputs. Alright, so you get your clean signal, you have your aux, and you have your headphones. Alright. Aux master. Alright, this thing looks good, feels good. Man, I'm loving this thing already. Yeah, I had to get rid of that Mackie. It was a little bit too big and I wasn't using all the channels, so I figured I would downsize a little bit. Alright, so hope you like. Alright, please share, please subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching. DJ Shaw One King Legend. Thank you.